learners, welcome to Wednesday. We are working with the chair card this week, which says air, air. We have three spellings that we're focused on this week. The first one is A-I-R, which says air. What does it say? We have E-A-R, which says air. What does it say? And we have A-R-E, which also says air. What does it say? Okay, let's try blending some words. Ready? Blend. B. Word is bear. Next word. Word is hair. Next word. Sk. Word is scare. Next word. At, air. So we have our prefix re, which means again, and then we have air, pair. So together it says repair or to fix. Okay, sounds 2 times. Ready? Say air, air, st, air, sk, sh, air, ch, ooh, or, on, that's our prefix as well. Calm, lee, be, full, pre, another prefix. Y can say y or I or e, air. Okay, stretch it out. Ready? Stretch. Air. What's the word? Care. Next word. Word is fair. Next word. D. Word is dare. Next word. St. Word is next word. T. Word is tear. Next word. The word is air. Next word. W. Word is wear. Next word. P. Word is pair. Next word. Sk. Word is scare. Next word. Sh. Word is share. Next word. Ch. Word is chair. Next word. St. Word is stairs. Okay, in your head, think. Say. Word is bear. Next word. Think. Ly says lee. Say the word is barely. Next word. Think. Say word is fair. Next word. Think. Say the word is unfair. So we have our prefix on, which means not. So not fair. Next word. Think. Say word is hair. Next word. Think. E at the end. Say word is hairy. Next word. Think. And this splits here, so this will say its name. See, we have beware. Whole word is beware. Same thing here, splits here, so the E will say its name. Think. See, word is repair. Re means to do again, so to fix again or pair again. Next word, think. Y says E, say. Word is scary. Next one, think. See, the word is rarely. The word rarely means not very often. Next one, suffix. Pre means before. And then we have pair. So we have prepare. Next one, think. Say careful. Okay, let's read some sentences. Think. This is beware. So the E will say its name. Be. Word is beware. Sight word is of. Sight word is the. Think. Say. Mean. Think. Say. Word is bears. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Beware of of the mean bears. Okay, next word. Think. Word is put. Say word is think. Say word is spare. Next word. Think. Say word is pair. Sight word is of. Think. Say word is mittens. Sight word is on. Sight word is the. Think. Say word is chair. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. Put a spare pair of mittens on the chair. Good job. Bling words this week are number words. So we have the number 7. Spell it. S-E-V-E-N. 7. What's the word? Okay, then we have the number 10. What's the word? Spell it. T-E-N. What's the word? Okay, next word is the number 8. What's the word? Spell it. E-I-G-H-T. What's the word? Next word is number 9. What's the word? Spell it. N-I-N-E. What's the word? And last word is number 2. What's the word? Spell it. T-W-O. Remember, we have 3 kinds of 2. T-W-O is the number 2. T-O is a place you're going to. I'm going to the store, or I'm standing next to her. T-O-O means also. So I'm going to the store too, or we are going to the park too, or also. Okay. We have our controlled vowels like A-R-E, which says air. Then it splits after the R controlled vowel. So we have 2 syllables in this word. We have air, the word is rare. Then we have ly at the end, and we have, that says lee. So when we have ly, it says lee. So we have the whole word rarely. Okay, same thing here. Unfair. If you clap it, it goes unfair. So we have un, which is a prefix, which means not. And then we have our R controlled vowel. So we have air, fair. 2 syllables, 1 word. Okay, same thing here. Barely, clap it. Barely. We would split it right here. Oh, sorry, I lost my pen. Right there. We have air. There's your R controlled vowel team. And then ly, and the Y counts as a vowel here because it says E. Compare. What's the word? Clap it. Compare. Same thing here. Here's your 1 vowel team right there. All right, the story we're reading today is called Lights in the Air. What's it called? Okay, so we have our controlled vowel, fairs, A-I-R, and then we have the word air. Let's read it together. Ready? Oh, hang on. This word right here is holiday. What's the word? Ready? Read. When people get together for a holiday, they enjoy many things. They have fairs. They eat lots of food. People can also light up the air. What are these things called? Fireworks. Okay, next page. So once again, we have AIR, which says air. That's our chair card. And we have hair with AIR, which also says air. Let's go ahead and read it together. Ready? Read. Do you wonder what might light up the air? Fireworks. Lights seem to splash across the sky in big shapes. These bright lights make a strong noise. The noise is loud enough to make young children scream. Watch the lights and your hair may even stand up. Next page. So, they said they are talking about this month right here, which is July. They also have a holiday here that is New Year's Eve. Okay. Then we have the word fairly right here, which has our ly, which is usually an adverb. And remember, an adverb is a word that describes a verb. So right here we have the word fairly, and they are describing how you see them, and it's fairly easy. Okay. This word right here we have up, and then stairs, which is our chair card. And here is another adverb, closely, and our verb is watch. So how do you watch them? You watch them closely. Let's read it together. Ready? Read. You might see fireworks in July on New Year's Eve or a few other days. You may see them outside or upstairs from your window. They are fairly easy to see because they spread across the night sky. You need to watch closely because the lights shrink away and then are gone. Okay, that's all for today. Come back tomorrow for